Welcome back, viewers. This is Martin Day Trades, and thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, send my channel, my YouTube link to a friend who's learning to day trade and is having a hard time finding consistency, a sound strategy, and is looking to improve to where they can eventually win more than they lose. Today was President's Day, January 17th, 2025, a Monday. Markets closed early. The range wasn't that wide, but what I want to do is just kind of get to these charts, make this video kind of short for you guys. We're about 45 seconds into this video, and I'm going to try to have it done in about 4 or 5 minutes, so I'm not taking up too much of your guys' time. I want to get to the meat and show you guys exactly where these moves happen, because they happen even on holidays, although the market closes early, and you guys could have caught some points. So let's go ahead and switch it over to the charts. Okay, so here we have previous day high, previous day low. I'm going to delete this. That was where I was expecting to take profit. Markets closed early, but what I want to do is show you guys this is the Asian session range. I marked it up. Asian session low, Asian session high, previous day low, previous day high. Now let's go down to the 30 minutes so we can start seeing some more detail with the way that these fractal movements in time, how they played out at smaller time frames. So let's actually go down to the 15-minute. Okay, so we see the Asian session range. London low was made right here. I have that drawn out. London high was made right here. And what I want to do is show you guys how these things react. So we have the London high, and there's this little sweep up above the London high for the move down. Could have caught that, made TP1, TP2. Let's see if I could do that for you guys. London high, sweep of the London high, let's say right there. 50-point stop. I'm still getting used to trading on holidays, so maybe a 25-point stop would have been good. But let's see, it never reached TP2, so what I want to do is just look at TP1, or 70 points. It would have reached 70 points, barely. So have gotten using a 35-point stop, that would have been a TP2. 25-point stop, well within that range. Could have made TP 2.5, 2.2, 1 to 2, right there. Asian session low, that would have been a nice trade, but that's not the time that I'm trading. Just showing you guys options. There's options. There's always multiple trades in the day. I trade New York Open. So as time is coming closer, we have this move 9:15, 9:30, and as price gets to this Asian session high, I did a Fibonacci from this low to this high, and you can see that price went to this 50%. And that's right where I entered. Actually, it was at 44,690. But there was a quick reaction. Let's go down to the 5-minute. There was a reaction, came up, but never tapped TP1. TP1 is right here. I'm risking 50 points. It came down. I actually moved my stop loss as it came back up right here to 25 points. And the price came down, and it almost stopped me out, and then it went up higher. That's why it's important to hold your trade. If you're going to place a trade, just hold it wherever just until it gets to TP1, because the trade could play out kind of like the way it did here. Came up, markets were about to close. Top Step closed my trade out because Top Step doesn't swing trade. If you're wanting to become a funded trader, with Top Step. You're gonna have to do intraday trading, and it closes automatically, auto liquidates at the end of the day if you don't personally close your trade out. So it closed the trade out right here. I made TP 1.18. It was like right in this range right here, and the day played out right. the next day is already starting to play out. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys that I caught a 1-to-1 essentially move from this Asian session high to this London high, and tomorrow we'll see how the price action plays out. So if you guys could please do me a huge favor, like, comment, subscribe. I'm looking to get 100 subscribers by the end of the year. My goal is obviously to do that well with a lot sooner than that, but um, my goal is to get 100 subscribers and to eventually just keep posting content. My goal is just to stay consistent, show you guys these trades that I'm taking and how they play out pretty much to a T every single day. It's up to us as individuals, as risk managers, to make sure that we're patient, waiting for these highs and lows to get ran, these liquidity zones, these supply and demand zones to get ran. Highs and lows, supply and demand, liquidity, order blocks, they all mean the same thing. We're all looking at the same thing. So if you hear me say something and you're confused, just write in the comments, what is that? Is it like this? And I'll be like, yes or no, this is what it is. But at these supply and demand zones, because what we're trying to do is wait for areas where people had gotten in for buys or longs, wait for those areas to get swept, those people to have gotten their stop losses ran, or get in with those people to go higher or do a reversal. And every day those moves happen. So we're at 6.5 minutes. I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. Thank you, and wait till the next video.